Hey, what's up, guys? Today I got the right gasket, guys. I cleaned the housing already inside. I'm just gonna lay this gasket on there and go get the third member and put it on there. But first, the other gasket, guys, like you saw in the other video, it didn't want to like go on there because it ripped. Well, it was too small, and it was a $5 gasket. That's still $5, but this is the new one. Oh, what the hell? Hell yeah, that is some crazy shit. Damn, guys, I ripped it in the fucking bottom. Son of a bitch. Hey! Damn, guys, I fucking put it the wrong fucking way and I ripped it. Son of a bitch. I knew it went on a damn certain way. We'll learn from my mistake, guys. Fucking idiot. Damn it, man. Right there, guys, it freaking ripped. I'm gonna take a picture and see. I'm gonna see if it's okay. It's up here. It's not down here or nothing like that. It's kind of up here. I wish it would be up here. It might be much better, but it's up here. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna take a picture and see what my stepdad says, if it's okay. All right, guys. My stepdad said it was fine. So right now, what I'm gonna do is put this all around there and just marry it on to the housing, and that's it. And that's it, guys. And I'm gonna put that sucker on there right now. Ooh, damn, you big daddy, big daddy. Oh man, that's a piece of steel, guys. And I love that. Why do I have to be so industrialist? Because I love it. All right, I'm gonna try to put this on there, guys. Now, which way does it go in? That's the thing. Wait. It goes in the other way. see me. Woo! This is my first time doing this. I don't know if I can do this one. Oh man, this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna have to lay down for this one. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. Fuck. What did I hit? What did I hit? Oh, my back popped. Woo! Woo! Damn, son. Damn, guys. That's my first time doing that, guys. That is a fucking cool. That is just the coolest thing ever. Yeah, guys, these were too small. I had to go get. These were $3.99 at O'Reilly's. So Stepdad went to get these for me. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have none of this stuff, guys. He's helped me tremendously. You know, thank you. But yeah, guys, this is in there. Now I just gotta get the bolts on. Now, I like to have my bolts all nice and ordered, like this. I know where they go. So these two are the top ones. Alright, guys, so I forgot to put damn washers. Guys, I didn't even get the damn metal. The brass fucking shit for it. Son of a bitch. Alright, guys, I'm gonna tighten these with regular hand tighten. I'm using what is this? It's a 9/16. I am gonna do it in a star pattern. I'm just getting them started, you know, on there. For this one, guys, I had to get a 9/16 wrench and do it like this because a socket won't fit on here. Guys, now what I'm doing now, guys, I'm trying to take out the U-joints, the universal joints. And my stepdad was saying that you gotta take out the little spring that holds it in there, and then get a socket and pop it out. And once that side's popped out, then you pop the other side out. This little spring. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know, I'm scared to smack it really hard. I want wonder if I should take off this spring too. I think it's coming out already. There it goes. And he told me to do the other side like that. Oh my gosh, it's like right there. This is my first time doing this too. I've never done this before, guys, so I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's just enough just to get it out. Come on, dude. And this doesn't come out. No way, no how. Nope, I'm gonna just fuck up my shit. I don't know what to do. Fuck, man. Hey, what's up, guys? It's getting pretty late, guys, and I don't think I'm gonna finish this today or get it started or anything like that, because I'm getting the universal joints in there, and when I was pressing them in, hammering them in there, I kind of I don't know if you guys can see that, but the ring, like, if you don't get it like straight on there, I guess what I did is I went off like that, and yeah, I'm sanding it right now, guys. I kind of like messed it up, but that's what I'm doing right now. Once I start hammering in there, I'll show you how that's supposed to go in there. Same thing as taking it out, basically, but I'll show you guys right now. Hey, what's up, guys? I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm gonna see if I can put some light. I think you guys can see me now. It's another roadblock, guys. I couldn't get it on there. I don't have a press. I'm hammering it. I'm hammering it in there, and when I do that, all these little pins, they're not even in there no more. How do I show you guys? If you guys look in there, you guys can see little pins. Not even in that one. This one are all knocked out. But in here, I've showed you in the other videos, guys. Okay, I'm already like super frustrated. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna have to just wait to get a press, or see if my uncle can press these in for me. Right now he's hunting, I think, or something like that. Like that's why I haven't like hit him up to help me or nothing like that. He's I think he's hunting right now. That's what he told me he was gonna be doing. So I'm gonna text him tonight and see if he can help me, guys. And if not, I'll take it to a drive shaft shop and have him press it in there for me. I really don't care at this point. But that's what's going on right now, guys. I already have the third member in there. It's bolted. It's all, everything's on there. But I guess tomorrow I'm gonna come again and I'm gonna see if I can get those pressed in, guys, or see what I can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And that's it. Peace.